If you are looking for the best free video editing programs in 2026, this video will save you time. I will show you the top free editors you can use right now, whether you are a beginner, a YouTuber, or just editing for fun. No fluff, just the tools that actually work. DaVinci Resolve. First up, DaVinci Resolve. This is easily the most powerful free video editor available right now. It offers professional level features like advanced color grading, visual effects, and audio editing. Key features: professional color correction tools, built in visual effects, Fusion, advanced audio editing, Fairlight, multi track timeline. Pros: extremely powerful, no watermark, used in professional filmmaking. Cons: heavy on system requirements, can be overwhelming for beginners, best for advanced users and serious creators. CapCut Desktop. Next, we have CapCut Desktop. This is one of the easiest editors to use, especially for short form content like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Key features: drag and drop editing, built in effects and transitions, auto captions, AI tools like background removal, and the pros: very beginner friendly, fast and smooth, great for social media. Cons: of course, nothing is perfect, and as we all know, it may have some cons. Some features require internet and not as powerful as pro editors. Best for beginners and content creators. And for my opinion, the most con or the most disadvantage that this software has is that some things are behind paywall. So you'll have to pay in order to get the full capacity of the software. Next, we have Shotcut. It's a free open source video editor that works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Key features include wide format support, timeline editing, filters and effects, no watermark. Pros: completely free and open source, lightweight compared to others, flexible format support. Cons: interface feels outdated, not very beginner friendly, best for users who want a simple but flexible editor. Next, we have iMovie. Of course, we cannot forget the Mac users, and that's why I added this to the list. iMovie. If you are using a Mac, iMovie is a solid free option. Key features: clean interface, built in templates, easy drag and drop editing, optimized for Apple devices. Pros: very easy to use, smooth performance, and great for beginners. Cons: limited advanced features only available on Apple devices. Best for Mac beginners. VN Video Editor. Another great option is VN Video Editor. It's free, simple, and surprisingly powerful. Key features: multi layer editing, speed control, transitions and effects, no watermark. Pros: clean interface, good balance between simple and powerful, works on mobile and desktop. Cons: not as advanced as DaVinci, fewer pro tools, best for beginners to intermediate users. Clipchamp. Now let's talk about Clipchamp. This is the Microsoft's built-in video editor on Windows, and it is completely free to start. Key features: drag and drop timeline, AI tools like auto captions and text to speech, screen and webcam recording, built-in templates. Pros: very easy to use, no watermark on exports, free export up to 1080p. Cons: limited advanced editing tools, many stock assets are paid, no 4K export for free plan, best for beginners and Windows users who want quick edits, but you should know that it's only available for Windows 11. Wondershare Filmora, the free version. Next, we have Wondershare Filmora. Now, technically, Filmora has a free version, but there is a catch. Key features: clean, beginner friendly interface, effects, transitions, and templates, AI tools, and drag and drop editing. Pros: very easy to learn, great built in effects, good for YouTube style videos. Cons: free version adds a watermark on exported videos. Some features are locked behind paid plans, not ideal for long term free use. Best for testing and software before upgrading to paid. Kidden Live. Finally, let's talk about Kidden Live. This is one of the best completely free and open source video editors available, and unlike some others, it has no watermark and no paid version at all. Key features: multi track timeline editing, wide format support, MP4, MOV, AVI, and more, effects, transitions, and color correction, proxy editing for smoother performance on low end PCs, built in audio tools and subtitle generation. Pros: 100% free with no restrictions, no watermark or export limits, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. powerful enough for YouTube and even professional projects. Cons: steeple learning curve for beginners, interface isn't as polished as premium editors, performance depends on your PC. Best for users who want a fully free, no limits alternative to paid editors. Now, after we mentioned all these softwares and programs, let's do a quick comparison. Here's the updated breakdown. Best overall, DaVinci Resolve. Best for beginners, CapCut, Clipchamp. Best lightweight option, Shotcut, Kdenlive. Best for effects, Filmora. Best balance, VN Editor. Best for Mac, iMovie. Best is truly free, no limits, Kdenlive. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like and subscribe, and tell me down below in the comments which option did you use and how was your experience with it. Share this video to your friend who wants to be a video editor. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.